Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
I'm going to have just one proposed compensation, which is going to be by the compensation admin. So I'll just remove whatever changes I made in the previous demo. So I'm just going to remove it right now. Just a minute. It's just getting a little bit. I'm going to remove one of these B steps. So let's have it with the comp partner and not the comp admin. I'm going to remove the comp admin relevant step and I'm going to hit OK, and all my errors have been cleaned up in this simplified business process for hire. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go across to the Supervisory Organization of Technology Consulting, NA, which is a supervisory organization of Corelli, and I'm going across to Staffing tab for your supervisory organizations that you have created. Please go to your supervisory organizations and you may mock the same thing that you have right now. Alright. Now let me see if I have any supervisory. I do not have anything right now. Okay. Level right now. Okay. Let me create one position right now, quickly. I'll show you that as well. Right, so. There's a positioning creation. Okay. Let me just create a position. That's better. Alright. So for people to create a position, for now, I'll just create at least 2 or 3 positions right now, and then I will teach you how to do it quickly as well. I'm going to create something like 10 positions, or we have a math sense of 20. So let me just create 20 for now and availability date. I'm going to be giving it as today. Earlier started. Also, I'm going to give it as today, and then job profile. Let me take Carol Lee's profile and then create that. For your practice assignments, use this position. I will teach you how to do it as well, because create position just. Let's just hold it for now. Successfully this business process is. Available right now. Just give me a minute. Let me just have a couple of pre-hires created for this. I don't have a pre-hire right now. Thank you. Thank you. Let me put a new pre-hire as well. It's easier. Because this seems to be taking a while. Okay. So that's one of the problems with this position I created with today's date. Okay. I should have been careful with that. Just put it as. I'll put it as still yesterday's date, which is. Alright. So perfect. So I have this particular position available right now. This is taking so long. Come on. Okay. Okay. No, come on.